to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we are going to make sea salt chocolate chunk cookies. I can't wait. So I'm going to use this beautiful kosher sea salt. It doesn't need to be this brand. Any sea salt that has a large grain is wonderful for this cookie. And then we're going to use, today I'm going to use the Toll House chocolate chunks, and I want you just to pay attention to this. This is an 11.5 ounce bag because other manufacturers, now this is from Aldi and they're really good, but this is only 10 ounces. So you can make it with this. Just realize you'll have fewer chocolate chunks in there. This is going to be fantastic because there'll be so many chocolate chunks. You're going to love it. All right, we need all-purpose flour, sugar, butter, light brown sugar, vanilla, baking soda, and of course, eggs. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it. Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. Our butter has been sitting out for a while, so if you're able to do this to your butter, you know it's ready to go. We're going to get this into our stand mixer and paddle it till it's light and fluffy. And then I can add in our granulated sugar. So it's nice and soft, and we're going to add in our 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. And again, mix it on low speed until it's combined. Now make sure you scrape down the paddle and the sides of the bowl before you add in the light brown sugar. And I actually prefer to do that before adding any new ingredient to make sure that they're all incorporated evenly. And again, on low speed. And now I'm gonna add in my 1 egg, and I like to use a liquid measuring cup with a lip so it just falls right in there easily. And again, on low speed, and we're gonna mix it until it's combined. And now that that is completely combined, we're gonna add in our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, mix it in. While that is mixing, I'm gonna stir together our dry ingredients. So here we have our 1 teaspoon of baking soda, that in there, and our 3/4 of a teaspoon of our beautiful kosher sea salt. And we're just gonna stir those together to make sure that way when we add it to the other ingredients, it's all well mixed in. And now we can add it to our butter mixture in our mixer because all of that vanilla has mixed in. So we're gonna get this all in there, and you wanna dump it in all at once and mix it together. We're gonna mix it until there's still a bit of flour, and then we can add in our chocolate chunks. So see how the flour hasn't mixed in completely? This is a good time to now add in our bag of chocolate chunks. Now they look great. So now we'll mix them on low speed until it fully comes together. Once you see the dough is pulling back from the sides of the bowl, then you are done. I prefer to transfer the cookie dough to a bowl, which makes it easy for me to then scoop. And we are then gonna scoop, I use an ice cream scoop, you could use 2 spoons, but you do wanna make sure that they are the same size. So an ice cream scoop really helps with that. And you're gonna space them out on the sheet pan so they bake evenly. If you put them too close, then they won't bake evenly. And this cookie does spread, so you don't need to press it down like an oatmeal cookie, but here is our kosher sea salt, and we're just gonna sprinkle a tiny little bit on top, just a tiny little bit to add that flavor. I'm gonna get these into a 350-degree oven until they are light golden brown on the edges, about 12 minutes. Look how gorgeous these are. These just came out of the 350-degree oven, and they were in for 12 minutes, rotated at the 6-minute mark. And wow, look at that. I'm gonna have to taste one. Oh my God, that was so incredibly delicious. Oh, I cannot wait to eat another one. My students better get in here and eat some so I don't eat them all. But anyhow, that is our sea salt chocolate chunk cookies. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.